Hi, Chuck Hawley from West Marine. You know, after 30 or 40 years of using the same kind of shore power connectors, a team up in Seattle came up with the idea that they could do a better job. And that was the development of the Smart Plug. The Smart Plug doesn't look like a standard shore power connector because it's not. It has a number of advantages. The first thing you notice is that it uses straight blade plugs. So it doesn't twist in place and lock, it just slides on. So how does it stay in place? Well, the inlet for the Smart Plug is designed to catch it in certain ways. When these come together, there's a very secure latch on the outside with these two stainless steel buttons that clamp on very securely. And furthermore, when you close down on the lid, there's a camming action that holds the Smart Plug all the way engaged. In fact, it's a weatherproof connection when you put it together. You'll notice, for example, that this one doesn't have a cord on it. This is retrofittable to your current 30 amp, 10 gauge, 3-wire shore power cord. So you simply snip that off, and there's some great instructions on the Smart Plug website to show you how to reinstall this connector. There are lots of other advantages here as well. Because you're pushing this straight on, you can do it in the middle of the night in darkness and not have to worry where the negative or the ground terminal is. It just fits on really easily. As I said, it's waterproof. It has a gasket around the inside, which when you close it up, makes it so that you don't have an additional sealing ring or anything. It just snaps in place. As you're looking at this is a great boat project. It just takes a couple of, maybe an hour and a half to install it on your boat, but you're thinking, I don't know how I'm going to put that on my boat because it's a different shape. Actually, the footprint of the Smart Plugs is exactly the same as most common inlets on boats today. So you unscrew the inlet that you've got, pull the wires out of it, put the wires into the back of the inlet here, and it'll fit right back in place, screw for screw all the way around, so that you don't have to drill any new holes or use a jigsaw or a saber saw. The whole package is remarkably intelligently designed. And when you go to the store, you'll usually find that you can either buy the plug or the inlet or the plug and inlet together. But the challenge there is that you've got to cut your shore power cord. And if you don't feel comfortable doing that, the folks at Smart Plug now make two different cord sets. This is a 25-footer. They also make the standard 50-footer. Now, why would you get into the cord set business? It's because they have a Smart Plug on one end and a conventional 30 amp twist lock connector on the other end. By doing that, it allows you to go to any marina up and down the east or west coast or wherever you're located, pull out your Smart Plug cord, plug it into the conventional old style twist lock plug, and put your Smart Plug into your boat. You know, it seems like it's taken an awful long time for somebody to reinvent this. This is really a superior product, and West Marine is delighted to have it. In fact, this new power cord and its 50 amp brother won the West Marine Innovation Awards for 2011, along with 4 other products, because we really like the fact that it makes it easier for boaters to find a better solution to their shore power. The Smart Plug components and the Smart Plug cord set are available, of course, at West Marine.